Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: enough charge and access to the Apple ID tied to the watch. If you remember the passcode, enter it. If not, open the Watch app on the paired iPhone and choose Unpair Apple Watch. This starts an erase that removes the passcode. Once done, the iPhone prompts for your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. Enter it to continue. If you can't access the Apple ID, gather receipt and owner details before proceeding to the next step. Once you're ready, perform the secure erase. With a paired iPhone, use Unpair. The phone creates a backup and wipes the watch while asking for the Apple ID password to remove activation lock. If you don't have the iPhone, sign into iCloud. Choose Find My, select the watch and erase, then remove from account. If the watch still shows activation lock, you must contact the original owner to remove it, or prepare a valid proof of purchase to present to Apple for With the watch erased, power it on and hold it near your iPhone to start pairing. Choose Restore from Backup if you want previous settings. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so activation lock stays disabled, set a new passcode, and re-enable Find My. Make sure cellular plans transfer if applicable. If setup fails or activation lock still appears, gather the watch serial and original receipt. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. That proof is the key troubleshooting step to get the lock removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.